Hey, I'm Steve and this is the Fundango Folding Camp Chair, an amazingly comfortable chair. This chair comes with the options that you would expect. This is a very strong and sturdy chair. You can see the heavy tubular framing. The weight capacity on this chair is 350 pounds. The feature on this chair that really sets it apart is the lumbar support. The lumbar support is an adjustable strap on each side of the chair, and you can adjust it to fit your comfort. This Fundango chair features a 3-in-1 side storage bag. You will be very pleased with the quality of materials used in this chair and the attention to detail. It is simply a very comfortable chair that have extra padding in the armrests, and this chair is the kind of chair that you can sit for hours.